Hi everyone, this is our intelligent muffle furnace, controlled by microcontroller, with LED display and film keyboard, convenient in operation. Automatically read temperature, control time, with constant temperature system. In every experiment, the ash or volatile matter of a couple of samples, rather than a single sample, can be tested out. Alternative in temperature controlling or time controlling, so the customer can do the experiment according to his own need. Applicable in the industry such as electrical power, coal, commerce inspection, environment protection, metallurgy, paper making, petrochemical, earth probe and research institute or quality inspection organization to test the ash or volatile matter content in the coal materials. Before starting the experiment, I will briefly introduce the composition of this muffle furnace. The upper part is the furnace hearth of the muffle furnace, and the lower part is the muffle furnace control box. To observe the condition of the furnace, open the furnace. You can see that there are thermoelectric tubes in the furnace, and there is a sample tray on the right side of the furnace, through which the samples can be safely sent into the furnace. Below the furnace is the control box of the muffle furnace. The red button on the right is the power switch. On the left of the switch are the buttons for up, down, left, right and stop. The buttons are fast gray, slow gray in volatilization, and the remaining buttons are only setting buttons. You can set 5 different test items, and set the test time and temperature you need. There is a special switch on the right side of the muffle furnace to control the heating, which needs to be turned on during the test. Here is the back part of the muffle furnace. Starting from the top is the chimney, the middle is the thermocouple, the next is the furnace power terminal, the bottom part is the power terminal of the control box, and you can connect it according to the instructions. After the machine is connected, turn on the power switch of the instrument, and turn on the heating power switch on the right. If there is no error displayed on the display, we can start to select the function program. If we need to test the slow gray, fast gray or volatilization of the sample, we can directly select the corresponding button. For example, select the slow ash button. The instrument prompts you to stake out. Open the furnace. Place the tray. Put the prepared sample on the tray. Use the tool to send the sample into the furnace. Remove the tray, and close the furnace door. For slow ash, the door of the test furnace does not need to be closed tightly. Click the slow gray button again. The heating light flashes. The instrument starts to heat, and the experiment begins. The fast ash and volatilization experiments are the same as the slow ash test. If you need to set the test items independently, you can press the autonomous button, and then set the required test time and temperature according to your needs. Press the button to save, and continue to set the next item. A total of 5 different items can be set. After starting the test, experiments will be carried out in the order in which they are set until the 5 items are tested.